Hey guys, what's going on? So it's been pretty busy here in my shop lately, so I thought I would just give you a quick update because it's gonna be a while before I get my next build video out. And I'm currently working on two tables. One is a hall table, and it's about 5 feet long, 30 inches tall, 19 inches deep. And the other one is a computer desk, just a small laptop desk, and it's gonna be 3 feet long. Where's my hands? 3 feet long. And it's going to be 30 inches tall and about 20 inches wide. So if you look behind me here, let me see, over there, you can see I have one slab leaning up against my wall, and I have one down here that I'm currently working on flattening. And I gotta tell you a little bit about that. So if you watched my video on making this flattening jig, you would have seen that I was using this little baby Dewalt router. It's a 2¼ horse router by Dewalt. It's the DW618. Well, when I was doing that large table, I got the whole backside done with this. I got about halfway through the bottom side, or the top side of the table, I should say, and this thing gave up the ghost. It went up into heaven to be with all the other dead routers. Yeah, it still smells. But I have plans to fix this. I've been looking on online, and I can actually get replacement parts for this, and so I don't think it's going to be too bad. I think I can get it fixed for around $100. We'll see what happens. I might do a video on that in the future. But what I should have done was I should have brought out this big 3½ horse porter cable router that I actually bought at an auction once. And when I bought it at the auction, it only had a 1/4 inch collet in it. So I actually had to order a 1/2 inch collet so it could accept this bit. Now this bit that I'm using is also duller than your grandmother's cheese slicer. So I went on Amazon and I actually ordered the same one, but I ordered 2 more. I wanted to order a more expensive one, but it wasn't going to come in till the middle of October, and I can't wait that long. This table has got to be done before then. So I just ordered 2 more of these, and hopefully it gets through and gets the job done for me. I think I probably only need 1 more, but better to have 2 just in case, you never know. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also hit that notification bell. You're not gonna wanna miss these 2 build projects that I have coming out, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.